Hello, welcome to the Fast Response On-Site Daily Vehicle Check video. It is critical to remember that this process exists to ensure the safety of you and your partner as well as the public, and also to be proactive in our approach to our vehicle maintenance. We have provided you with a simple check sheet to use in the walk-around process. Each walk-around and check sheet should take roughly 5 minutes to complete. As you walk around the vehicle, look for simple things like window chips, important things like tire condition and fluid levels. Simple things again, burned out lights, scratches, dents, etc. Be sure to mark everything on the form. Once you've walked around the outside, enter the vehicle and turn the key to the on position. Wait 5 seconds for the glow plugs to preheat, then start the vehicle. Check your fuel level, gauges, and note the mileage and any problems, maintenance items on the check form. While you're in the vehicle with the engine running, test the horn. Have your partner confirm that you have brake lights, turn signals, low and high beams. Once the engine is off, tilt the cab up and lock it fully in place. Check your coolant and oil levels. Caution, never ever open the radiator cap if the engine is warm. You could be severely burned. Only check the side tank. Okay, you've checked all the essential fluids. Go ahead and unlock the clip, tilt the cab back down, and fully lock the handle in place. Remember, be safe, be smart, be aware. Thank you for being part of the Frost team. Your attention to this daily check makes Frost a safer place to work and helps us ensure that we can provide our services on time, on budget, every time. Thank you.